There has never been a more important time in history to take care of our planet. It is up to us to research and develop new ideas and ways to protect our most important gifts, our children, our planet. Working together as a community, we will discover new horizons, new technologies, and new beliefs. We will create a new ecosystem of sustainability, preserving our cultures and becoming one with nature. RDI Solutions are the UK's leading research and development tax relief specialists. We help hundreds of UK businesses claim back thousands of pounds in research and development tax credits, rewarding businesses for their innovation and expertise. We're motivated to turn humanity's greatest challenges into great fortuity for our clients, our families, and for our planet. Together, we will build a brighter future. RDI Solutions, where innovation meets nature.